A stock trader points out few under your Pitchfork tool trading mistakes. Stock trader points out few under your Pitchfork tool trading mistakes. We are on a monthly chart of FedEx Corporation, Epic FDX, Foxtrot Delta X-ray, and we want to discuss a stock trader points out few unreals Pitchfork tool trading mistakes. All right, let's get started. All right, so this is an American stock, FedEx. All right, and it's listed on the Russell 1000. All right, so I have on my chart here the Pitchfork tool because this stock was going down for some time, so we need 3 points to draw the Pitchfork tool. If you want to learn how to draw the Pitchfork tool, okay, you need to subscribe to Day Pro Traders YouTube channel. Check the playlist about the Pitchfork tool. All right, so we need 3-point price goes up from A to B and then pull back to point C. With those 3 points, we can draw the Pitchfork tool. All right, so today I want to point out to traders, okay, few unreals Pitchfork tool trading mistakes. The number one unreal Pitchfork tool trading mistakes is to spend more time looking at the Pitchfork tool instead of focusing on the price. All right, what do I mean by that? So you can see here what usually takes place. Trader will sell each time the price rally up to the edge of the Pitchfork tool. All right, so they are paying attention to the Pitchfork tool and they just want to sell because the price is near the edge or the median line of the Pitchfork tool. So here again, trader will try to sell here, all right, and they will try to buy near the median line. So as soon as the price pull back near the median line, people just want to buy, hoping that everything will work well. As you can see here, the price went up and then pulled back to this point here. All right, traders will try to buy this stock at this point in time. Okay, so you can see that the stock went up a bit, all right, but didn't go up very much. All right, so the number one Pitchfork trading mistake is to just concentrate on the Pitchfork tool without any consideration to the price action. But now, if you want to improve that trading method, we can now switch our attention to the price. So here it is, price is now on the edge of the Pitchfork tool. We want to know, is there a key level? All right, so here we are. So I'm moving my trying to move my spotlight away from that line. So pay attention. So this is a resistance here. So if we want to sell, we want the price to break below a key level and to retest it here. So the reason why you see some traders were selling on the edge of the median line, but there was a better place to sell, which is near the resistance level here. I'm going to call out that resistance now into red. But a common Pitchfork tool trading mistake is as the price rally to the edge, trader just want to sell, all right, but you want to pay attention to the price itself. So here it is, the price break below the red line and we're retesting it here. Though the price was above the median line, it's retesting a previous support level, and if you receive a sell signal here, this is a good place to look for an opportunity to sell. All right. One more time, you can see that the price pulled back a bit this time. After you see the rally here to retest, it pulled back from a higher low. All right, so price from a higher low and try to go above the previous high, but it fell. So in fact, the reason why one should look for opportunity to sell here is because the price failed to form a new higher high after a higher low. All right, so here, if the common set trend line is kaput, we can sell on the edge of the pitchfork tool, but we are not selling on the edge of the pitchfork tool just because the price rally up to the edge of the pitchfork tool and the stochastic is overbought. That's not the reason. The reason is the price form a higher low, which is an invitation to buy, but as the price going up, the price failed to display a new higher high, violating the definition of a healthy uptrend. All right, so a common pitchfork tool trading mistake is to concentrate too much on the pitchfork tool. One more example, I'm going to move my horizontal line and I'm going to put it this time here, and I'll color it into green. All right, pay attention carefully. All right, so talking about pitchfork tool trading mistake, you can see that the price breaks above that resistance level. So normally a lot of traders would like to sell here. All right, they want to sell here, but what is happening, the price manages to break above a resistance level, which is a bullish declaration, so to speak. So instead of focusing to sell here, the best scenario is to wait for the price to pull back either to this key level, which is break above the green line, and then retest it here. Okay, so instead of trying to sell, one should be bullish, give priority to bullish signal above this resistance here, because the price breaks above that resistance and form a higher low here, which is in the bullish zone. All right, so you see now, so when you are using a pitchfork tool, all right, do not just sell or buy on the edge of the pitchfork tool. Pay attention to the price itself, the number one indicator. Draw your trend line. So here it is. I have this point. So let's play with it a little bit more. So 1 second, please. So if I join this low here, this low and this low here, I want to draw a trend line. Here it is. Okay, we are using a pitchfork tool, but we want to concentrate on the price action alone. All right, so I'm connecting this point and this point here, and I will color it now into orange so you can see on my chart, and I will also zoom into it a bit. All right, so here you can see that the price form a higher high and then pull back to retest the orange line. You see here, which is also near the median line. So you can see that this time the price couldn't touch the median line or the pitchfork tool, but instead the price was touching the orange trend line. Okay, stochastic is oversold. So a lot of traders will be saying, oh, I would prefer it to come and retest the pitchfork tool. But what is happening here, this is in fact a hot spot trading zone. Why? Because it is an intersection between a normal key level. If I'm talking about normal key level, I'm talking about horizontal support and resistance level. So horizontal line and a bullish trend line. This is a hot spot trading zone. I talk about this in few videos that I have recorded before. The intersection between a normal key level and a trend line is a hot spot trading zone. So we have a hot spot trading zone a little bit above the median line of the pitchfork tool. That's a better place to look for an opportunity to buy. So you can see that the price, in fact, if you are talking about multi-talented trading, the price pull back one area with traders. Okay, pay attention to. That's what we want, a correction. First thing that's coming into our mind, correction is free. So 1 to 3 minimum price move on the edge. So we'll say priority to bullish signal above, okay, in this intersection point. All right, and priority to bear signal below. So we'll implement a top-down trading method to trade it. So now you can see that as I switch my attention to the price itself, okay, I am able to make a better day and swing trading decision instead of just trading around the pitchfork tool, assuming that this is it, this is that, okay, anywhere, anyhow. All right. So now what's happening now? We are on the monthly chart of FedEx Corporation. Okay. If you want to sell the parcel to United States from London, you can use a FedEx. All right. So here it is. I'm connecting the 2 point one more time. See this point here. See this bit here, and this okay here. Now we have a bearish trend line that I'm going to color now into pink to avoid people accusing me of being a sexist. All right, ladies, here we are, pink line. So here we are. So you see a high and a lower high. All right, on the edge of the pitchfork tool. So here I have a beta. Hold on, please. I'm moving the line a little bit here. That's all know what you see here. So the common center line is kaput after the price form a high and a lower high. This is bearish. The stochastic is also overbought, and the price is also on the upper end of the pitchfork tool. This is a beta, okay, a beta bearish trading setup. So talking about the number one pitchfork tool trading mistakes is to spend too much time focusing on the pitchfork tool alone, looking for hotspot trading zone on the edge of the pitchfork tool alone. The best approach is to spend more time analyzing the price action, drawing trend line, drawing channel, connecting higher lows, higher high, higher lows and higher lows, lower high, okay, and a high and a lower high to determine the best hotspot trading zone, and to combine those trend line, the intersection between those trend line and the pitchfork tool, and to pinpoint the best hotspot trading zone. It makes sense? It is also powerful. All right, so you see here the green line, the price break above and retest here. Now this is an invitation to buy. Price went up, now it hit. Okay, there's a bearish trend line here. All right, so you see now. So by paying attention to the price itself, drawing trend line, we can avoid common pitchfork tool trading tool. There are a lot of trading software out there that are designed to trade around the pitchfork tool, creating a bit of mess in the financial market. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. This is about stock trader points out few under your pitchfork tool trading mistakes. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.